Hey, this is Alex from AirChatty CRM, and I have prepared for you a tutorial about surveys now. Okay, so let's jump right into AirChatty CRM, and from our dashboard we go to sites, and in sites at the very top we have surveys, where we have a builder that helps us build the surveys. We have analyzed to see how well is it doing, and submissions to see where to see all the sent surveys or the collected surveys by the platform. So let's start with builder, and in builder you have a list of all your surveys. You can also create a folder, and I would recommend creating folders for for products, for example, or for marketing, or for customer service. Yeah, you probably want to have multiple surveys based on different things in your business. Okay, so let's go with the product surveys. Yeah, and in here I can click add survey, and I can beautifully start to create it. How is it gonna work? Each question will have its own slide, like its own page. So let's go intro. Maybe here you just want some text, or maybe you want, let's say, I'm sorry, maybe you want an image, and then you want some text. So let's say, I don't know, you want a header, and you want something like, welcome to our product survey. Please take your time to review our bot discovery call product. Remember, I've created a bot discovery call product. There you go. Okay, slide 2. Slide 2, I can go to I can go to I can start by asking the first name, last name, and email here, or you can do this at the end. And with surveys, I think it's better to capture them at the end, although there's a mixed understanding that people will not offer you the details in the beginning, but they might be offering their details at the end. Others say, yeah, ask all the questions first and at the end, because they filled up all the results and so on, the answers, they might give you their details as well. So we can do that at the end, right? So right now let's start with some simple text. So I'm gonna go and create some first I'm gonna go with text and ask the question. Click on text. Maybe I want to be 16. Okay, and the question will be, how satisfied are you with the product on a scale from 1 to 5, with 1 being poor and 5 being excellent? Yeah, and then and then we go back to custom fields, and we add a new field, values. We can choose I think number. Yeah, do we have, look, we have drop down, checkbox, date picker, fab. So we're gonna go with drop down. Okay, single drop down option, single. Next, 1, okay, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, Single, save. Yeah, we need to select this. So satisfaction level. It's the object is contact and the group is contact, because this is referring to the contacts, okay, the person that is rating our product. Okay, so let's go save. Okay, satisfaction level. If I drag this here, there you go, and then they can just, you know, select the level. All right, so this is how you go and you create more slides with all the details that you need. I've just created one, and then the last one will be, let's take its first name and email address. Okay, yeah, okay, let's maybe make this text a little bit smaller, 25, and that's it. So now cancel. I want to save the survey. I can also integrate the survey like in an iframe embed or just my link. Okay, I'm gonna go with my link now, right? And this is how it looks like. Yeah, it looks with a picture. You have the progress bar. Also right there in the bottom right, you have the, you know, the play button. Go to the next question. There you go. How satisfied are you? 5. Fine. What's your name? Alex. This is my email address. I'm gonna click submit. Thank you for taking the time. And now basically in submissions, we should see Alex filling up this survey. There's many things you can do with these surveys. You can export them from here, all of them at the same time. Or you can just keep them here and you will see which one was the referral. So if it came from a particular website, okay, URL as well. In analyze, you will see exactly number of surveys, how many submissions and everything. So it will be like a chart here that you can look back at, like last 30 days and so on. Okay, yeah, this is surveys. Look, there is a custom one here already built, which has many other slides. We can test this one if we want. Integrate survey. Let's look at this one. There you go. Okay, yes, no, I don't know what I'm clicking here. I'm just clicking yes and no. Yes, no, yes, no. It's really beautiful. Let's see how it looks like in you know, mobile view. There you go. All right, it's really nice. Thank you for completing the survey. Right, so now we go again to submissions. We can see this is how, you know, a more complex survey looks like. You see this you know, non-understandable text here because whoever built that demo survey, they did not name those custom fields like I named it nicely. Okay, so if you want to have these values nice, remember in right here in custom fields, give names to your you know, your custom fields. You can re-edit them from here, from settings, custom fields, satisfaction level. See, so if I want to edit, can I edit? satisfaction level. Yes, you have to tick it and then edit. Okay, so make sure you name these fields nicely so you can see the answers in the in the submissions section to see the answers according to the field. Okay, right. I think we've pretty much covered it. If there is anything that I haven't covered, remember help.gohighlevel.com, click surveys. There's massive database there. Also play with the styles here. Yeah, you can hide and show the labels. You can play with the styles of the whole the whole slide, or you can even play with the whole system, like what is the message that's coming up at the end of the survey. Maybe you don't want the message, maybe you want them to go to a different URL after filling up the survey. You can select this one here. Okay, disqualify immediately. So if they don't answer, message URL, thank you for taking the time to complete the survey, after submit. Oh yeah, so yeah, these are the messages. So you can also link a Facebook pixel right in this page, okay, and create events for that page. You can add a back button, the progress bar, you can disable animation, you can add the scroll to top button. You can do many things here, like banner image. You can edit the footer. Yeah. So there's many options you have for surveys. I think that's it for surveys now. Hopefully it's going to help you use it. A quick word of advice: if you like to learn more about surveys, there is one person I really enjoy. His name is Ryan Lavec. He wrote a fantastic book about surveys. Just Google Ryan Lavec, Lavsque, I think. Ryan Lavec. Yeah, this is the guy. Really good on quizzes, and the Ask method is the book that he designed. I think it's a good addition for you to have in your portfolio, and to know how to build surveys. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.